Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to call AliExpress customer service. Unfortunately, AliExpress doesn't have a public customer service phone number, so you cannot just phone them, and instead you have to use their in-app chat. So open AliExpress on your device, go to your account at the bottom side of the screen, and here you should see Help Center button that looks like a headphones icon. Here you can see popular solutions, frequently asked questions, and you can use online service as well at the bottom. Simply write your question here, send your message, and wait for response. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.